I'm Diamond Janae, and you're watching Off the Record Fashions. Thank you so much for being here today. Again, it's another Casual Mommy Monday. Jackson and I are in Detroit, Michigan, my hometown. So hey, Detroit. No earrings, no makeup. It's just we gotta go eat breakfast, and it happens to be Monday. So we're gonna pull it together and do a Mommy Monday video. We're gonna go to Connie and Barbara's soul food breakfast spot. I asked a couple friends on Facebook because I haven't lived here in a long time. So I asked a couple friends on Facebook what was the best breakfast spot, and their name came up. Honestly, I chose them over some of the other spots because they were like 4 minutes from where I already was. So it was like just the closest and convenient. But yeah, so me and my kiddo Jackson, we're gonna get our grub on and we'll keep you guys posted. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And then click the notification button that's somewhere on your screen so that you can be notified when we post new things. Also, like, comment, share, talk to me. I keep saying it and I'm gonna keep saying it so that you guys can get it. Talk to me. I don't know you're here, and some of you guys also follow me on Instagram and all that stuff, and you're talking and I don't even know that you're like on here. So hey y'all. Oh, and that's a good segue. Follow me on Instagram at OFFTHERECORD.FA. F is in fashion, A is in awesome, because you guys are so awesome. Now let's go get our eat on. Bye. Where are you going? No, but who is it? Who is it? What you doing? Say hi. What? No, say hi or something. So what do we get? We got salmon and eggs and hash browns and pancakes. Do you want pancakes? Do you want pancakes? Okay. I don't know if he wants pancakes. Water. Say please. 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 That's tired. Okay y'all, so Jackson and I was doing Mommy Monday video, and we was going to Connie and Barbara's because it was suggested to me by some friends on Facebook, and I have literally never been so irritated. Like, I have not eaten. Right now I'm at Captain J's. I've never had them, but I hear about them. It's like fast food place, fish and chips, and they're supposed to be good. We have not eaten. I sat there for an hour and a half, maybe longer, and I still didn't get my food. Like, when I first got in there, when I first got to Connie and Barbara's, it was raining. I ran in with Jack. There was nobody telling me if I was supposed to take a seat, if I was supposed to wait. There was nobody. It was crowded, and there was no like concierge or what do you call it, hostess. Like, nobody explained to me what I was supposed to do. I was just standing around for like 5 minutes trying to figure it out. So then I go ask somebody who's behind the like bar or counter area if I'm just supposed to sit or if I'm supposed to wait, if somebody gonna come take my name, like how does this work? She's like, well, I don't see no seats, so I guess you just go sit up there. Okay. So then I'm waiting for seats to become available, like tables. I'm waiting for the people to leave and for tables to become available. And for tables to become available so that I could catch it and keep an eye on it myself so that somebody else don't come in and take the seat that I've been waiting for, because there's no list or line or nothing. Then I finally get seated after I do the wait game, and it's like I put in my order. It took like 15 minutes for somebody to even notice that I was sitting down, and nobody took my order. Then they take my order, and I'm just waiting for like an hour and a half on my food to come. And finally, maybe about an hour in, the waitress is like, oh, your food is coming out right away, or it'll be out soon. 20 minutes later, my food still ain't there. My baby ain't ate, so I'm getting irritated. I ain't ate, so I'm getting more irritated. And then they like, oh, your food coming out right now. They plating your food right now. I don't know how long it takes to plate salmon, eggs, and pancakes, but apparently like 10 minutes later, I'm looking up, and I could be honest, maybe it was 5 minutes later, but at this point I'm starving and irritating, so 5 minutes seems like a long time, but it wasn't right away. Like, it seemed longer than it takes to make a plate. I just got up and left. Like, Jackson's screaming because he ain't ate all day. It's already 1 o'clock. Like, we've been trying to eat since 10 o'clock. Like, that's just insane.